When it is not possible to make the grooves for the circlips directly on the body of the shock absorber, then a manifold with grooves must be welded on. The manifold can be welded into the body or around it. Let's see first the case of the manifold welded into the body. Suppose this is the body of the shock absorber. This is the manifold to be welded in, guided by a bronze centering device suitable to dissipate the heat. Press the manifold into the shock absorber. Add this sort of bearing that will help the rotation of the shock absorber. Mount the shock absorber on the vise of the mangusta and lower down the crossbar. Then block the shock absorber along its axle with the tailstock and set the torch in the right position. Add the protections for the eyes that in this case we left out. Close the window and proceed with the welding. The result is a weld bead, thin, homogeneous and penetrant, ensuring sealing and resistance. Let's see now the case of the manifold welded around the body of the shock absorber. The procedure is the same as previously. The only difference is the position of the manifold and the position of the torch, but nothing else. Observe the weld bead, again thin, homogeneous and penetrant. We suggest to adjust the welding parameters as follows.